Hello everyone, today I'm gonna show you probably the fastest way I draw faces. And honestly, this is not really the correct way. I don't use the Loomis method most of the time and I don't even start with perfect proportions anymore. I kinda just look at the reference, copy the silhouette first, and then fix everything while sketching. And somehow, this became the easiest workflow for me. So before I do this digitally, this is usually how I practice it traditionally. The first thing I focus on is the overall shape of the head. Not the eyes, not the nose, just the silhouette. Because if the silhouette already looks right, the face usually starts feeling correct automatically. I think the reason I started doing this is because I used to overthink proportions too much. I'd spent so much time trying to make the guidelines perfect that I ended up not finishing the drawing. So one day, I tried simplifying everything. I stopped worrying too much about measurements and just focused on matching the shape I was seeing. And honestly, it made drawing feel way less stressful. Now, most of the time, I do the same process digitally. This is the Digidraw Turing 14 by the way. And I've been using it lately whenever I practice faces. I still start the exact same way. Big shape first, then I slowly clean things up. What I like here is the screen size. The 14-inch display gives enough space to clearly see the whole face while sketching. So it's easier for me to notice if something feels off. And the pen feels really smooth too. I can sketch lightly at first, then slowly add darker lines when I'm more confident. It's pressure sensitive and lag free, so the strokes appear instantly. And honestly, that makes the drawing experience feel way more natural. It also works with the creative software I already use, so I didn't really need to adjust my workflow. After the silhouette, this is where I start correcting things. I move the eyes around, fix the jaw, and sometimes I even completely redraw parts of the face. And I think that's normal. People are too scared of messing up during sketching, but sketching is literally the part where you're allowed to make mistakes. Once the faces start looking right, I move on to shading. I don't really blend that much. I mostly use lines to build shadows. I think that's also why my art style started looking like this, because I was too lazy to blend everything. So yeah, this is honestly the fastest way I draw faces. And it's probably not the most academic method, but it helps me draw faster and finish more artwork. And at the end of the day, I think drawing more is what actually helps you improve. If you wanna try this workflow digitally, I leave the Digidraw Turing 14 in the description. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching.